Want better AI answers? Don't just ask a question, give the AI a clear brief. Let's build one together in 5 steps. Step 1. Assign a role. Type, act as an experienced financial analyst. A role sets the perspective and the expertise you want. Step 2. State one clear task. Add, analyze the profitability of this solar project. Use a strong action word. Analyze, draft, compare, explain, or summarize. Step 3. Provide context. Paste the project data, the audience, the purpose, and your assumptions. For example, the audience is the investment committee, and the project is a 100-megawatt solar plant in India. Step 4. Add boundaries. Type, use only the data provided. Flag missing information. Do not invent figures. Keep the analysis under 400 words. Step 5. Specify the format. Add, return an executive summary, key risks, calculations, and recommendations in a table. Now you have a complete brief. Here's a reusable template you can keep. Act as a role, complete a specific task. Context, the facts, audience, and objective. Constraints, sources, length, exclusions, and assumptions. Format the answer as a table, bullets, a report, or a checklist. Before you send it, ask yourself one question. What key detail would the AI otherwise have to guess? Fill that in, and your answer gets dramatically better. Read your prompt once before sending. If another person could complete the task from it, AI can too. Start specific, review the output, then refine the prompt.